Welcome back. PSI Razashad Shaikh has been booked for allegedly raping a teenage girl at Mapusa. The mother of 19-year-old victim girl has filed complaint against Shaikh at Mapusa police station. She wants justice.
The mother of 19-year-old victim girl has filed a complaint against the PSI Razashad Shaikh. Shaikh is attached to Mapusa traffic cell. Mother has complained that the girl was being raped since January. The girl is native of Satara and was staying at her relative's place in Mapusa from past few days.
छोटी लड़की से वो लेके गया था और वो बाप सगा बाप समझकर मैंने दिया था उनके पास सबूत। मुझे खाली जस्टिस चाहिए, मुझे खाली न्याय चाहिए।
The NGO who spoke to victim reveals that she has attempted suicide on many occasions.
Because from January he's been raping her, and this girl is very nervous, and she's very nervous of the family, and she has made an attempt to commit suicide about 3-4 times.
We have received a complaint from the assistant police inspector who is posted in Maharashtra against her husband, who is posted in Goa police, presently in PS Bicholim. Initial information given by the victim, and after observing all due formalities, a case under relevant section of law has been registered in police station Mapusa, and the investigation of the cases.
Shyam Sundar Fatte and Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goa Mining People's Front had a huge meeting at Darbandoda on Monday. Meeting decided to shut down 7 talukas one by one from 22nd to 28th of August. Mega convention will be held in Panji on 29 August. Dependents demanded that government should take over their trucks and machinery and pay all their dues.
वाळतोय दारबांदोडा पोंडा केपे हरमुगाव सांगे या तालुक्यांनी आम्ही चितला की आम्ही तालुका वायर बंद करतले म्हणून, आणि जर आम्ही तालुका वाज बंद करतले जाल्यार 400 आणि 500 लोक येऊन उपयोग नसना। आम्ही हजाराच्या संख्येन भायर येवचे पडटले। पणजे शहरान जमाव करपाक जाय, आणि जर आम्ही पणजे शहरान येता आम्ही आमच्या सोयऱ्या दाऱ्यांक बायले भुरग्यांक जितले आमचे आसा त्या सगळ्या लोकांक घेवन रस्त्यार येवचे पडटले।
गुड ट्रक बार्जीस हेवी मशिनरी सगळी ही ताबडतोब गव्हर्नमेंटान घेवची। गव्हर्नमेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल, गव्हर्नमेंटाने घेवची। तू ते पॅकेज दिकेचे पैसे अंटायर जे पैसे आसा त्या मशिनरी घेवपा वापर। आमचे पॅकेज बंद केले, आता आम्ही घराकडे पॅक घेऊन रावतात, पण ही मशिनरी आमची कोणी टच करपाक जायना। ही मशिनरी व्यवस्थित करपाची जबाबदारी सरकाराची घेवची। आम्ही तुझे रीण जे आसा ते फारीक करतात, जेन्ना मायनी चालू जातल्यो करतले म्हणून।
NGO Human Rights Defenders has given a deadline of 8 days for a government to act against culprits in Daboli parking lane denotification scam. The land was a part of airport expansion plan. President Edwin Fernandez has asked Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to expedite the process to book the culprits. Human rights defenders have warned to approach the High Court if government fails to act within 8 days.
We remind our Chief Minister and once again demand with our Chief Minister to expedite the process of booking the culprits in this land denotification scam due to the involvement in corruption and due to the conspiracy to intentionally defraud the state of Goa and the public exchequer. Actually, court we are supposed to go on Monday, but then we thought because of the looking at the statement, we thought we should wait. Maybe our Chief Minister wants us not to waste our time. If he wants, he can take the decision today itself. On this letter which we have made, he can take the decision today or tomorrow. So then at least we'll feel that they're concerned about 5 days. Just 5 days. After 5 days? Yeah, till Friday, Monday to Friday.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.